Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create Shopify returned labels. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. It is pretty easy. Now you can use an integration for this one, so you can search for return label and make sure that you search that in Shopify App Store. Once you do, you will be able to see that we have various different type of apps providing this kind of features. So we have auto returns, easy returns and all that. So choose something with a solid rating, and you can see we have this return portal. You can customize everything in there. You can also go for something which suits your language and all that. So you can see we have easy synchronization track, sync track, easy returns and all that. And yeah, so that's how easily you can create Shopify return labels. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.